Yeah, hello, hi guys. Welcome to my channel Animal TK. In this video, I want to show you about my bird just eating banana. So yummy, so hungry. Look at that. Woo. Oh my god, so hungry. This bird not for man. It's for my brother, but now my brother go to work far away from home, so only me who the one take care birds. So I bought banana from market and then I put for my bird. Look at bird face, bird mouth. Yeah, everyone, my bird so lovely and so clever after finish eating. Yes, go to drinking water and then clean mouth very nice. So very wonderful. I love my bird so much. Yes. Wow, so clever. Okay, thank you for watching. If everyone like my video, please help me to subscribe, share, comment, like. Especially don't forget click bell ring for get new notification from me. Okay, bye bye, good luck together, love you all friends, bye bye.